Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you send disappearing photos on WhatsApp? Well, it's going to be really simple, so bear with me in this one. Let's go ahead and open the application here itself. So let's just go ahead and try to send a message, okay? Right. So let's say you're trying to send a photo. Let me just click it here. Yeah, it doesn't matter what you really send as long as you have the disappearing option. It doesn't really matter. So you see the clock option here on the side. That's what you're going to be needing to press. Again, it doesn't matter if it's a text or if it is a photo. Just go ahead and click this icon over here, and that'll be it. And once you click that, it'll be a disappearing message in it of basically of itself. So yeah, just click on done and send once you're ready. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.